Hi guys, so I'll be doing the unboxing of the Gerber mini paraframe knife. So I bought this from Amazon, and as you can see I've already opened the box. Let me see what I get inside. uh, Nothing much here, and very neatly packaged bubble wrap, and here some more bubble wrap. Let me try to remove this. It is going to be a messy unboxing. Okay, so that's almost open. Okay, some more bubble wrap. Let me keep that aside. Okay, so here it is, the Gerber paraframe mini. The price shows here as 1230 rupees. Okay, so let me try to unbox the knife by the blade. Okay, let me do this from here. I'm just being careful with my hands. Unboxing in just one hand is really difficult. Okay, let me try this. Let me pause the video for a second and I'll open. Okay, so I finally got this open. What we get here? Okay, this thing came out. Okay, this is the manual, maybe. Okay, yeah, this is sort of the caution manual. gerbergear.com, Portland, Oregon, USA. So the company is actually USA, or an American company, but it's actually made in, where'd that go? It's actually made in China. Everything's made in China these days, and I kind of hate it. We keep these things aside, and the blade itself. In the website it shows as you can open with one hand. Let me try if I can open this with one hand. Yeah, it's not practical enough, but you can open this in one hand. Okay, so here it is. And it's got a frame lock here, so the blade doesn't you know come off. See, I'm pressing it, and yeah, the quality and weight feels good, and it's kind of oily. Gerber, and here's the serial number. Yeah, I mean, like, this is like $10 in the US and it's $1,000 in India. So I guess you need to multiply each dollar into 100 rupees, so that's equivalent to Indian rupees. So that's it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching. Do like and share. Peace.